Welcome! Today we are at the depot in Zellik, where we share our single organizing idea with our colleagues. To maximize circular value, we hand out reusable water bottles and encourage each other to be driven, curious, reliable and to share successes.
Dus de herbruikbare fles die we aan het personeel gaan meedelen, kan je eigenlijk een beetje vergelijken met de groene kratten die wij gebruiken die naar retailers gaan. Dus die komen vuil binnen, wij wassen die kratten en die gaan gewassen terug naar de retailers. En dat blijft maar doorgaan, die cirkel. En dat is eigenlijk hetzelfde idee met een herbruikbare fles. C'est Maximising Circular Value. Exemple, on va réparer les caisses cassées. On a ici pour l'eau, le waterzuivering, et je ne connais pas le mot en français, mais on va utiliser l'eau pour les autres générations, ce qui vient encore.
The presentation was perfect. It's very, very educating, and if you digest the content of the presentation, it gladdens the heart, it makes you add value to yourself, and also by so doing, you'll be adding value to the company and to the world at large.
Reusable system, she do everything like circle. And she takes the boxes and we wash the boxes here, and after we put again for the client. It's very good for the world in the future and now. And I hope we will see another companies like Reusable system.
If we do more about it, it's still going to bring about maximization of potentials and profits and all other things that are good to move the life forward and to move even the world forward in itself.
I like the vision to share with us today. Maximizing circular value.
Maximizing circular value.
Today we made a lot of colleagues happy by involving them in our core values and by giving something useful to use during this hot summer. We hope to continue inspiring each other as colleagues so we can all maximize circular value.